My name is Sean Ames, and I'm the product owner for the Guardian project. We are now going to discuss our Sprint 2 demo, and then we'll also discuss how you can get in touch with us and how you can reach out to us for any features, enhancements, or bugs in the Guardian platform. Just so you know, our next release is tomorrow at 12 noon. We'll be releasing user stories, bug fixes, and enhancements from the first 2 sprints. So just as a roadmap overview, we've worked on several community issues, some policy engine features. We've also just gotten started with wallet integration. And in the future, we'll be working on scalability testing. This is an overview of the tickets that we've worked on. You can see this on your screen: policy, import, export. We worked on about 4 or 5 UX tickets, which was about 30% of Sprint 2's workload. We committed 80 story points and we delivered 72 story points. So that is that. As far as the release, there's no issues. So it's a green, it's a go, as I mentioned. And now I will pass you on to Alex, our solutions architect, who will do the demo of the features we built this sprint.
Hi, everyone, and I will share my screen and show what the main feature that were implemented during this sprint. So the first one is issue number 41, is about support listing schemas. And also there is another one, which is schema support for required fields, number 118. So I will show what was done on the screen. So actually we can create some schema for any entity. We can also add some description for it. And after that, we can add fields to this schema. And now you are able to select whether this field is required or not. And also you can allow to add multiple answers for this particular question. We also spent some time applying design to this new schema window. The next thing is the Postman API documentation. We created the Postman collections that covers all the existing APIs that we have in our Guardian. So you can find them within the repo under the Guardian UI service /API /Guardian API Postman collection. The next issue is about package policy import export number 50. This allows to export policy file actually as one file. So there is one zip file which contains all stuff that needs to be there to make this policy run. And also you can import this policy. There is short description of the policy content. You can see the name, you can see description, roles involved, also schemas overview, and which tokens this policy contains. And you can click import, and this policy is imported. Task number 40, which is CI/CD for repo badges, and you can find them under the README file, and there is a couple of them. The first one is about the license that Guardian is followed. Another one is about whether this passed all the tests in the repository or not. And the last one showed the current version of the Guardian. And that's basically it from my side. And I will pass my screen to Sean. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, Alex. Just continuing on, our next sprint is sprint number 3. It lasts from December 13th to January 24th. Something important to note is that we've committed 82 story points to sprint 3. And in sprint 3, we've got some additional, 3 additional UX, UI design tickets, some documentation for all of you community users out there, and some back-end tickets, such as support required fields in the forms, support lists and forms, custom roles and actors, and data validation forms and public schemas. Our final slide is how you can get in contact with us on GitHub, Discord, in submitting directly to Envision Blockchain. Here you see on the screen. And yeah, if you see any bugs, want to request any new features or enhancements, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. Thank you for listening to our demo today. You can expect another demo of Sprint 3 in 2 weeks. Thanks a lot, everyone.